Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to log out of your Google account from other devices. So then to log out of your Google account from other devices, the procedure is pretty simple. All you need to do is stick with us till the end of this video and check your internet connection. So if you're doing it from your mobile phone, then the procedure will remain the same. So then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up your web browser, right on top you'll be able to find your profile icon. Just tap on it and under it click on manage your Google account. Now this is going to take you to the information page of your account. So here you go, that you're directed to your info page. Now there are various ways to log out of your Google account from other devices. Now I'll be showing you some simple ways. So what you can do is, first of all, you need to head over to this page, and once you're on this page, in the left hand side bar, click on security. As soon as you click on security, you'll be able to see your information such as your passwords, your date of birth, your contact info and all that, and then the type of devices that your account is currently logged in. Now scroll down a bit and over here you'll be able to see your devices. Now so what you need to do is click on manage all devices over here, and you can see that my account is currently logged into this particular devices. So then to remove it from either one of these devices, just click on this arrow icon right over here and then click on sign out. As soon as you click on the sign out button, there will be a confirmation. So what you need to do is you need to provide in the password associated with this particular Google account, and after that you might also be asked to verify it by entering some sort of code that will be sent on your phone number automatically, and you just need to press on it and then automatically you'll be signed out of your device. If your account is logged in into a multiple devices, let's say maybe probably 15, this is not going to be an effective way because you'll have to do it one after the other. So simply what you can do is you can change your password. So for that, go back to the same page or the home page. Over here you need to see, you'll be able to see passwords. So click on this arrow icon and you can update your password. So first of all, you need to provide the current password and then you'll be able to make changes with your password. So that is basically how you can log out of your Google account from other devices. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.